Hi William, we made it to the Colorado River and we just wanted to show you the reason they call it Colorado. It's Spanish for the color of red, and you can see how red the water is. Now as you come down, as the canyon narrows, you get lots of white water rapids and you can see the waves splashing about. And right here in front of us is Diamond Creek joining the Colorado River. And you can see the creek water is clear and bright. And when it joins with the Colorado, it turns red. Now we're going to go back up the creek from where we came, and you can see the big mountains off into the distance. I'm so glad you could come with us on our drive to the Colorado River.
Talking about the rafts.
Okay. You can't quite see them here, but a group just finished rafting down, and this is where they pick up the people and bring them back home.
Bye-bye.